Are you curious about the giants of finance? Today, we are diving into a comparison of BlackRock and JP Morgan. Both are major players in the financial world, but they focus on different areas. BlackRock is known for asset management, while JP Morgan is a full service bank offering a wide range of financial services. Let's start with BlackRock. Founded in 1988, it has grown to become the largest asset manager globally. They manage trillions in assets and are famous for their exchange traded funds or ETFs. BlackRock helps individuals and institutions invest wisely, focusing on long term growth. Now, let's look at JP Morgan. Established in 2000, it's a leading global bank. They offer services like investment banking, wealth management, and commercial banking. JP Morgan is known for its strong presence in corporate finance and lending. So, what sets them apart? BlackRock primarily focuses on investment management, while JP Morgan provides a broad range of banking services. BlackRock is ideal for those looking to invest, while JP Morgan is better for businesses needing banking solutions. When it comes to features, BlackRock offers a variety of investment products, including mutual funds and ETFs. On the other hand, JP Morgan provides financial advisory, loans, and investment banking services. In terms of pricing, BlackRock typically charges management fees based on assets under management. JP Morgan has fees that vary widely depending on the service, such as loans or investment advice. In conclusion, if you're an investor seeking asset management, BlackRock is the way to go. If you need comprehensive banking services, JP Morgan is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.